Hello everyone, I hope all are doing well. Today I want to share about pineapple. Yes, yes, of course, pineapple. Pineapple is a typical fruit. It is yellow inside and green outside. It tastes sweet and sour. Pineapple is healthy. It has vitamins, fiber, and minerals. It is good for digestion and immunity. We can we, we can eat pineapple. We can eat pineapple fresh, fresh in juice or in salad. I like pineapple very much. Uh, so you should try in this fruit. I hope I hope uh, like you like my video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.